Where did you?
XRP rises like a phoenix after bears attack as Ripple's Swift partnership speculations ensue. XRP recently saw itself being a target of the bears attack, as the cryptocurrency market lost $13 billion in value yesterday. It was one of the biggest losers during the red day, erasing over 12% of its value. However, it has successfully fended off the lethargy exhibited by other coins after the drop, correcting about 7.5% to retake its spot at the 0.40 Singapore dollar. The coin started off the week at the 51 cents mark, soon after hiking to its weekly high of 52 cents. However, this marked the end of smooth sailing for XRP for the duration of the week, as it quickly began a downwards movement to the 47 cents price level. The price then exhibited a sideways movement that was indicative of the rest of the market's movement, exhibiting constant sideways movement at around the same price for the next few days. It even saw a small decline down to the 46 cents mark, which marked the end of the sluggish movement for the coin. The very next day, it saw a sharp drop down to the 38 cents mark, breaking the expectations of many XRP hodlers. This was also indicative of the movement seen in the rest of the market, as many altcoins reflected double-digit losses across the board. Investors were in for a surprise, as the price of XRP quickly retraced its movements with a 7.5% gain back to the 43 cents mark. It corrected to the 42 cents mark before retaking the 43 cents resistance with great power. The hike of XRP comes at a time wherein most of the market is still reeling from the attack of the bear. Most of the coins in the top 10 are still in red, with Litecoin LTC and Stellar Lumens XLM being the only altcoins able to retrace their losses from yesterday and remain in green. The rise comes after speculations ensued regarding a potential partnership between Ripple and incumbent Swift. According to rumors, the partnership will utilize XRP for settlement and could have driven investor sentiment in the coin, thus driving the price up. Most quote the reason as Ripple being at Swift's annual conference this year, where they believe that the company will make a big announcement.
Ripple XRP Mega Breakout, what's next? The Ripple XRP Mega Breakout that we were calling for happened and happened much quicker than anyone expected. As we said yesterday, nonetheless, if Ripple is capable of going topside of the 0.38 figure at any point in the days, weeks ahead, such development, should it occur, would likely trigger its next advance into the 0.42, 0.47 zone, representing a 30 to 40% move from present levels. On the flip side, the 0.25, 0.26 area should offer short-term potential support. XRP is now sitting at 0.51704 as we write this article this morning, representing gains of 61% since we alerted our readers and our Global Elite email newsletter members. Ripple XRP Mega Breakout. The Ripple XRP Mega Breakout is significant because it's the first time XRP has been above its 50-day moving average since May. Right now, the RSI is approaching 80. So we are in overbought territory and we expect the price to consolidate around the 0.42 to 0.47 level before resuming its uptrend. While some are looking at this as an opportunity to short XRP, we are not of that camp. While some can book some profits and use a trailing stop, any integration of XRP with XRP has the ability to create a tremendous move in XRP. As Travis Kling said this week on the Off the Chain podcast with Anthony Pompliano, XRP could be the quickest five-bagger investors could see in today's crypto markets. The reversal is real, as my colleague Ali Kamar said yesterday. Unlike other cryptocurrency projects, Ripple has some concrete partnerships with real financial institutions, but this sustained price action indicates that market confidence has indeed returned to the project, as this price action is not continuing because of any one specific catalyst. XRP spillover effect. The rally in XRP has spilled over into other markets and has lifted Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin has now broken through its 50-day moving average as well and is trading at 6,720 at the time of this writing. Its 50-day is positioned around the 6,600 level, which was serious resistance. Many were shorting 6,400 to 6,500 and have now been forced to cover. With XRP continuing to build momentum, we look set to test the next major resistance level of 6,950 to 7,000. Furthermore, the RSI is still neutral at just above 50, signaling that there's a lot more room to run before getting into overbought territory. From the chart above, you can see that Bitcoin has made higher lows than the last time we tested the 6,000 level. A break above 7,600 would be a clear signal that the crypto bear market would indeed be over. Bitcoin would then be above the 200-day moving average and many investors that have been on the sidelines will come in and we would have a new bull run. Ethereum is still trading below its 50-day moving average as seen in the chart below. I still think Ethereum is going to lag behind Bitcoin as there still hasn't been much of a move higher in the ETH pairing. ETH still has a long way to go to get above its 50-day and 200-day moving averages. Bottom line, XRP and Bitcoin look set to continue their treks higher. It shall certainly be an interesting weekend and one which we will be watching.